Now we shall solve some equations which do not look like quadratic or which are not quadratic by nature, but they can be brought to quadratic form, they can be reduced to quadratic form. So now what we are going to discuss is about the equations that are reducible to quadratic forms. Though they are not quadratic, yet they can be brought down to quadratic forms. See a few examples of these. I am solving the first one itself, please see. X power 2 by 3 plus x power 1 by 3 minus 2 is equal to 0. This equation is going to be rewritten now. Nothing to explain here. Putting y for x power 1 by 3. This will become y square plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This you can solve by factorization or by quadratic formula, whichever you choose convenient. I am solving by factorization, please see. Factorization of trinomial needs no explanation. Y plus 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, y plus 2 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 is equal to 0 means y is equal to minus 2 and this means y is equal to 1. Let us restore y. X power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2, x power 1 by 3 is equal to 1, cubing. X is equal to minus 2 whole cube or minus 8. X is equal to 1 whole cube or 1. Therefore, x is equal to minus 8 or 1. This is your answer. Two steps here I would like to talk about. One is factorization ends in y plus 2 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. I have separately equated these factors to 0. Generally, students ask me, up to this it is okay sir, but how you got this step? Usually students ask me this question, how you can separately equate them to 0? My answer, please see, even though you are not asking, listen here. Y plus 2 is equal to 0, y minus 1 is equal to 0 arises out of product of two numbers, product of two quantities, product of two expressions is equal to 0. A product is equal to 0 if at least one of the factors is 0. Even both can be zeros, but at least one should be 0. When the product of y plus 2 and y minus 1 is 0, either y plus 2 should be 0 or y minus 1 should be 0. That is how we have reached here, each factor equating to 0. You will come across in future such things, please see here. Product of three factors is 0. So it is possible only when at least one of them is 0. Let us take x plus 1 is equal to 0. giving x is equal to minus 1. Let us take x minus 2 is equal to 0, giving x is equal to 2, and x plus 3 is equal to 0, similarly giving x is equal to minus 3. It can be checked up. This product will become 0 for x is equal to minus 1, or for x is equal to 2, or for x is equal to minus 3. So remember, whenever 2 or 3 factors product is equal to 0, we equate each factor to 0 because any one of them can be 0. This part please remember, it may be useful somewhere. One more thing, x power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2. I have written cubing x is equal to minus 2 whole cube. Actual work is here. Please see. X power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2. X power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 power. This 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1, resulting in 8. It's actually cubing, but exponents operation. X power 1 by 3 is equal to minus 2 power 1, x is equal to minus 2 power 3 by 1. This 1 by 3 becomes 3 by 1. That is the law of exponents. So by exponents, or better to say cubing, whichever you understand. These two things please remember, they may be used in solving many questions to come. I am solving one more question, solving the 7th one, please see. For power x minus 1 minus 3 times 2 power x minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. This equation also will be reduced to, will be brought to quadratic form. Please see. I did nothing except writing 2 square for 4. Again students ask me how that x minus 1 comes in and 2 goes out. You need not ask, I am explaining myself. Please see here. A power m power n is equal to a power mn, as well as this is also a power mn. So the two indices are interchangeable. This work also will be done so many times without much explanation. Please understand. So many times we will be doing this work. A power m power n is equal to a power n power m according to the requirement of the question. Here question requires 2 power x minus 1 to have a repetition here. So I have remodeled it like that. Please understand. These are the basics. If you are strong in the basics, there won't be any problem in future for any such question or any other question. Putting 2 power x minus 1 is equal to z. This will become z square minus 3z plus 2 is equal to 0. Z square minus 3z plus 2 is equal to 0. You factorize or you use quadratic formula, it is left to you. I am doing factorization. Z square minus 2z minus z plus 2 is equal to 0. Z common, z minus 2 minus z minus 2 is equal to 0. This leads to z minus 2 into z minus 1 is equal to 0. Without any explanation, z minus 2 is equal to 0 and z minus 1 is equal to 0. You may write or also, no problem. This is z is equal to 2, z is equal to 1. Restore the value of z, that is 2 power x minus 1. Please watch very, very carefully. Two power x minus 1 has been restored for z. I am rewriting this step, please see carefully. Two power x minus 1 is equal to 2 power 1. 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 2 power 0. 1 is written 2 power 0. Now please see here. By equating the indices of equal bases, by equating the indices of equal bases, bases are equal, so I am equating the indices. Don't say in a wrong language, bases are equal, indices are equal, don't say like that. Say properly in mathematical expression, by equating the indices or exponents of equal bases. This leads to x is equal to 2, this leads to x is equal to 1, hence my answer is x is equal to 2, 1.